In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard to Simply Piano. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this video, I'm going to be showcasing how you can connect any keyboard to the Simple Piano app. I'm going to be using the E473 from Yamaha as an example, but keep in mind that you can follow these same instructions with other keyboard models. First, look at the back of your keyboard. For this Yamaha model, you need to use this port, so the USB to host USB-B port available. Like I said before, if you have a different keyboard, then it might be a different model or a different port or process altogether. Check your manual if you aren't sure, so grab the appropriate cable. You will plug one end of the cable into the keyboard, and the other one is going to go into your device that is running Simply Piano. I'm going to assume that it is being used on a phone or a tablet, so for this you will need an adapter. You will plug the hub or the adapter into the phone, and then this should give you access to a USB-A port. So if you are using a USB-B cable, the other end will most likely be USB-A, and then you need an adapter to connect it to your mobile device. Regardless, once you have established a connection using the proper cables and adapters between the keyboard and your phone, you can now go inside of Simply Piano, and as long as it is a proper device and the connection was established, it is going to be detected once you press any keys down. You might have to head over to the settings of Simply Piano and double check the input devices, but it should be working flawlessly as long as you set up the connection as I've described here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.